Well, the western U.S. is still dealing with some chilly conditions. Of course, this additional cold leading to additional snowfall. We'll talk about the major river flooding ongoing from the Great Lakes through the Ohio Valley and even into the lower Mississippi Valley. And the southern U.S. may pick up some severe weather as we head into this midweek time period. All right, heading back to the west, a number of winter weather headlines have been posted and do continue within these areas. We're still looking at some decent snowfall, generally in the highest elevations of the Cascades, the central and the northern Rockies, and even across parts of the Sierra Nevada range, some of those heavy snowfall tallies and even some snow around the Four Corners region. Now, this is part of another large storm system making its way to the south and east here pretty slowly, but it is going to get hung up over parts of California with some moisture within those areas. Out ahead of this storm, we have some mild and very windy conditions, so that is going to lead to some critical fire weather today and tomorrow across the Front Range, the Rockies, and the central and the southern plains. But then out ahead of that, we have some showers and thunderstorms that will be developing and some locally heavy rainfall, maybe enhancing some of the river flooding, which again, you can see all these green colors from the Great Lakes to the Gulf Coast, and that's where the heaviest, or at least the most significant flooding is ongoing. Additional rainfall through 7 p.m. Wednesday, getting upwards of maybe an inch to nearly 2 inches in a few spots as you get closer to Memphis and northern portions of Mississippi. Now, as we head back to the west again, Tuesday, tomorrow, there is a marginal risk of severe weather, and then by Wednesday it turns into a slight risk of severe weather, so we'll continue to watch that. In the meantime, we do have some fire weather concerns today. Red flag warnings posted within these areas today. Critical levels of fire weather from western Kansas to the Oklahoma, Texas Panhandle, and then it continues around Tuesday at critical levels. Temperatures, though, east of the Rockies are quite a bit warmer than average by 10 to 15 degrees, but the warmest still in Florida into the 80s.